I saw this video recently from this lady talking about how hydroxyapatite, the natural form, is better and safer than the synthetic form Nano Hydroxyapatite. I find this whole trend super interesting because a lot of people associate natural with good and synthetic with bad, when in reality, it's not that simple, it's not that black and white. She goes on that video to talk about how Nano Hydroxyapatite, or NHA, those small little particles, they can leak into your bloodstream, cause health issues, and then that's the reason why the EU banned it. While that is partially true, what she does not mention is that there are two primary types of NHA when you're looking at the shape. There's rod-shaped and there's needle-shaped. Needle-shaped is the one that can actually cause issues, and that's why the EU banned it. But rod-shaped is EU compliant and US compliant. You can use them in both places. Now, Knobs toothpaste uses that rod-shaped NHA, which is going to be the safer form. It's going to be on par with the safety of a regular micro hydroxyapatite, the natural form. And since in this case, the natural synthetic doesn't really matter, let's look at which one actually works better. Now, there are numerous studies to show the effects of hydroxyapatite, nanohydroxyapatite, and fluoride with remineralization. Now, fluoride and nanohydroxyapatite are two of the best, as you'll see in this study. Now, fluoride has its own laundry list of adverse effects if you use it long term, so that's where it puts nanohydroxyapatite above both fluoride and regular hydroxyapatite. When you go back into that study comparing the natural and synthetic forms of hydroxyapatite, you'll notice that the particle size is a big thing with it. The nanoparticles are smaller, so they get into your teeth better. Well, with the microparticles from hydroxyapatite, an issue you can run into is aggregation, where the particles will clump up, and it actually makes it even harder for them to get into your teeth, entrench themselves, and remineralize your teeth. It's the same issue you get when you use a 10% NHA toothpaste, which is why Knobs uses 5%. If you want to try out Knobs toothpaste, I'll have a link down to it below.